What is up, guys? It's David from Notch Tech here, and today I'm going to be showing you a really cool application called Airserver. Basically, this is what it does. I can go onto here. Okay, it comes up with AirPlay. I go on that. I click David's iMac, which is this behind me, and ta-da! There it is. And everything which I do on here, it will do on the computer. So it's a really cool application. It's a free trial, so let me show you how you can do this awesomeness. Okay, so go ahead and go onto your Mac. This does work for PC, but I'm just going to show you how to do it on the Mac because I don't have a PC. Okay, so go ahead and go onto Safari, go onto the link in the description, and it will come up with this page. Okay, so there is a 7-day free trial, which I do recommend, so just go ahead for that because you just want to try it out for now. Currently I have the consumer license. Okay, so let's just do the free trial for now. Let's go ahead and download that. Just type in your details below. So I'm going to type in John Appleseed. Okay, and then just click register for trial. Okay, now it will send a link to the email which you put in, so go ahead and click on that link. The email will also contain an activation code, which I'll show you how to do later. So go ahead and click the download now button. So once it's downloaded, go ahead and open it up just by double clicking. It will come through all of this. Don't pretend you read it because you don't. Go ahead and press agree. Okay, so it's going to come up with something like this. Go ahead and copy the application to the applications folder or wherever you want it really, but I'd recommend putting it in the applications folder. So once you've done that and you open it, it's going to ask for something called the activation code. That should have been included in the email, so just simply copy and paste. So I've already done that, so all I have to do is go onto my applications and find Airserver, here it is, and double click on it. So now we have two little boxes once we've opened it up here, and that's all you need for the computer side, so back to the phone. Okay, now back to your iOS device. For this I'm using my iPhone. It works on an iPad 2, an iPad 3, an iPad 1. It works on any iOS device basically. So you don't need to install any application onto your phone, which is what I love about Airserver. All you have to do is flick up like so, and it comes up with this. Then you want to go on to AirPlay, and it should say where you want to mirror it onto. So in this case I want it on my Mac, so I choose David's iMac. I then click mirroring, which is here, and make sure that that's green. And as you can see, it's come up onto the screen. So now everything that I do, look at this, look how cool that is. Everything that I do onto my iPhone, it will do onto that screen right there. Now, if this isn't working, then it's probably because you're not part of the same Wi-Fi network. You have to be part of the same Wi-Fi network for this to work. So let's say you connect to your home router, you know, they both have to be connected to it, otherwise it won't work. You can't have my iPhone, let's say, connected to 3G internet and then my Mac not. So you have to have the Wi-Fi working, and it doesn't have to be connected, which is what I like. But that's not the only thing that you can do. You can also record what you're doing on your iOS device simply by going onto this big fat red button. Go ahead and click that and it will record. You can choose the option here as well if you want to record your audio, and as soon as you're done you just press the red button again. Asks you where you want to save it, so I just want to save it to my movies. I'm going to call it movie 1, and it will export it for you. It's as simple as that. If you want to become a bit more advanced with this Airserver software, you can click on this tools button here and you can change the sharpness, you can change the saturation, the contrast, the brightness, the hue, even sepia you can change, which I find so cool. So yeah, just have a play around with the settings, go for what you want, and I hope you liked this tutorial. Make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you.